Hello everyone. Here we, the students of third group from ninth B standard, are going to represent some interesting points of dance, music, paintings, and poets of Andhra Pradesh. Yes, so as we all know that Indian culture is the heritage of social norms, ethical values, traditional customs, artifacts, and technologies that are associated with the Indian subcontinent. And today we are representing the painting, dance, music, and poets of a beautiful state of our India, that is Andhra Pradesh.
Starting with the dance of Andhra Pradesh. There are many dance forms of Andhra Pradesh take on a wide variety of colors, costumes and types and involve different settings and musical instruments. Generally, it includes very bright and attractive colors. These dances are often composed with classical music. Many dances include wide range of critical stunts such as dancing with fire in head or dancing on a mud boat, etc. They are very interesting and marvelous entertainment. Moving to the music of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh has been known since ages of its rich musical heritage. The state is also known for being the homeland of Thai Agaraja Shama Shastri and Hudu Swami Digester, the three prodigies of the Carnatic music Trinity. Folk music also has been originated from Carnatic music. This great art is taught and learnt by the means of compositions that encode various intricate details of music. In the fields of instrumental music, Andhra Pradesh is not far and produces legends like Dwarama, Venkata Swami Naidu violin, Srinivasa mandolin, Chiti Babu veena, and remaining Shankara Shastri veena. The divine Carnatic music is said to have instigated from the god.
Paintings of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is famous all over for Kalamkari form of art. The major forms are Srikalahasti from Chittoor district and Machilipatnam Kalamkari of Krishna district. The whole process of Srikalahasti Kalamkari involves 17 steps such as a block making followed by cloth treating, printing and washing, etc. The popularity of this excellent form of painting has earned international repute for the state of Andhra Pradesh. Srikalahasti Kalamkari represents a style of Kalamkari work related to the dyed hand painting of fabrics. It is produced mainly in Srikalahasti town of Chittoor district in Andhra Pradesh. It was registered for geographical indication from the state under handicraft goods. Now I am going to represent some information about poets of Andhra Pradesh. The literature of Andhra Pradesh reflects the rich cultural and traditional history of Dravidian state of India. The Telugu literature, which has a rich preserve of stories, dramas, epics, and poems. Telugu literature is highly influenced by Sanskrit literature and Hindu scriptures. The image you are watching is of T. Vasudeva Reddy. Bamera Potana is a great poet from Vontimitta, famous for his great classic Sri Madandhara Maha Bhagavatam, a Telugu translation of Sri Bhagavatam. A famous poet of Mahakavi Bhartiyar wrote Sundara Telugu Nil Pati Sethu, which literally means create songs in beautiful Telugu. Revolutionary poets like Sri Sri and Gedar are also very popular poets.
हे कृष्ण गोदावरी तुंगभद्र नागावळि पिनाकिनी स्वर्णमुखी नदी जलचेलांचल
శుభ కళింగ శుభ విశాఖ మచిలీపట్నాలను అభిషేకించే బంగాళాఖాతాల ఖలంఘన
గణిత శాస్త్ర నిపుణురాలు ఆంధ్ర శాకుంతల శతానేక శాస్త్రాల